So I'm about to go mess with my dog with this Action 5 and a head mount and see how that goes. Zoe, come here. Good girl. Okay.
You can do it!
You being patient, girl? You being a good girl? Yeah. Okay, here, come here. Come here. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Sit. Good girl, stay. Just be patient, girl. Come here.
Like and subscribe.
You ready? Let's throw some ball. That's a good girl. You ready? Bring her. Good girl. Come on. Bruh. Bring that ball here, girl. Normally she goes for like 800 throws, but I guess the collar's got her spooked. Good girl.